suspension still wet.
Charlie 11 copy. Yep.
Black male wearing a gray t-shirt, southbound Van Dyke. Come back north on the alley on the west side of Van Dyke. Southbound Van Dyke from Prospect. Through Westminster. He's going south of the alley on the east side of Van Dyke. Through Jackson. He's on Reward going westbound, coming up to Van Dyke. South on Van Dyke. Westbound 8 mile. Still westbound 8 mile from Van Dyke. Speeds are 55. North on Winfield. He's wearing black pants, looks like turquoise tennis shoes. He's got short hair, black hair. We are north through Fisher. Still north through Westminster. Eastbound Prospect. Through Peters. Alright, south on Van Dyke. He's going eastbound, check that. He's still going south on the sidewalk, on the east side of Van Dyke. Alright, he just fell off the motorcycle. He's running through the Family Dollar lot.